Are your Microsoft Office apps crashing due to the MSO International DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Don't let MSO International slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the MSO International, the Microsoft Office Internationalization Library. It manages unmanaged routines for multi-language support, facilitating the linguistic data link for modern Office application manifests. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Msointl is required for Microsoft Office to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Microsoft Office will repair missing or broken application files. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the MSO International file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for MSO International DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility link below references MSO International configuration concepts. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for MSO International, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.